Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and I'm going to show you today. We assembled the bike already on the last video. This time we're going to show you how Elaina is going to use this balancing bike, right? And then afterwards, you see there's already pedals, but we're actually going to remove those. You're going to see her balancing the bike, and then we're going to add the pedals again and see her doing both, okay? As you see, guys, I removed the pedals. There's no pedals here. So, and I want to show you a couple other things. There is a Vienna bell and there's a basket. We got those. Elena's going to show you how it sounds. Amazing. Awesome. And now
and look at my reindeer. It's from the North Pole and it can fly.
Yep, we got the reindeer from the North Pole and it can fly. And now Elena's going to show you how she's going to balance without the pedals. First, you got to take off. Yeah, you're going to push that up, Elaina. Yep. Wait for Daddy to go down the hill first. And let's see how many seconds you could balance, okay? Yeah, you could go. Look how she's balancing. Look, she's not even touching the floor. Amazing. Ready? On your mark. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Whoa, 33 seconds. That was amazing. You did a world record, Elaina. Good job. All right, guys, we just added the pedals again, and you see this that says R and these arrows. That means you twist it clockwards so you could tie it with this right here. Now the other side, hold on, Elaina, hold on. The other side is left, L, and it's counterclockwise. So to tie it, you twist it to the left to tie it tight. That's interesting, right? And now Elaina is going to show you how to ride with the pedals. So she's going to push first. Hold on. And now she's pedaling already. All right, slow down, Elaina. Brakes. Amazing. Amazing performance by Elaina. Learning so fast how to ride a bike. First, balancing. First, learn how to balance, then you got to learn how to balance and pedal at the same time. And then she's learning the brakes as well. Slow down, Elaina. Brake, stop. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Now go back again. Show them how you push and how you ride. All right. Give a little speed, and now she can push. That's how you ride a bike. Brakes. Ah, it's okay. We keep learning, right? We gotta focus here. Are you okay? Good, good. So you got to keep balance and you got to use the brakes. There you go. Yep, we get back up. When we fall, we get back up, right?
Yeah. I go back.
Slow down. Slow down, press brakes. Perfect. Amazing. I can't even keep up with you, Elaina. You're too fast for me.
Yeah.
All right, now she's going to try to make a right turn, guys, while she's pedaling. Can she make a right turn? Yes, she can. Look at that amazing right turn. Wow. Amazing, Elaina. It's okay. I was in your way. Sorry about that. But look, you know how to navigate. Even someone is in your way. It's all right. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. You want to say anything to everybody?
Any comments in Daddy's videos? Let us know for any comments. Goodbye.